Solitaire Cash coins can stop updating when the game display and your account data are temporarily out of sync. The quickest fixes are checking your connection, fully restarting the app, and making sure Solitaire Cash is updated. By the end, you'll know what to check when coins are missing, delayed, or showing the wrong total without assuming your balance is permanently lost. First, close Solitaire Cash completely and open it again. Don't just leave the game running in the background. A full restart forces the app to reload your account information and can correct a coin total that is stuck on an older value. Next, check your internet connection. Solitaire Cash needs a working connection for account-related information to update correctly. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data if possible, then reopen the game and check your coin balance again. If the balance still looks wrong, check for an available Solitaire Cash update in the App Store or Google Play. An outdated app version can cause problems when the current game service expects a newer version. There's another thing to check if the missing coins came from a specific activity. Go back to the screen where you earned them and verify whether the reward was actually completed. A reward that is still processing can look like coins were removed or never added. If you recently reinstalled Solitaire Cash, changed devices, or signed into a different account, verify that you are using the same login associated with your original game progress. The wrong account can make your coin balance appear completely different. If none of those steps work, avoid repeatedly completing the same reward just to test whether the coins appear. That can make it harder to identify which transaction is missing. Instead, record the affected screen and the relevant game activity, then contact Solitaire Cash support through the app or its official support channel. The key points are simple. Restart Solitaire Cash completely. Verify your connection and app version. And confirm that you're signed into the correct account. If one specific reward is missing while the rest of your balance looks normal, keep the details of that transaction for support. Try those checks before reinstalling the app again. If this fixed your missing coin balance, like the video and subscribe for more Solitaire Cash troubleshooting guides.